Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of all. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 5 and we are learning that unit number 6 and its title is Traffic Issues. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 8, under the title of Writing, we will learn about write short text in speech bubbles. And we will cover up question number 10. Before in English for grade 3, my dear students, already we have learned about speech bubble in writing skills on page number 75. I hope you remember it and you know that how we can fill speech bubbles while seeing pictures. So I hope you remember it. If you will not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our today's students' learning outcomes are write short text in speech bubbles and cartoon strips using vocabulary, tone, style of expression, appropriate to the communicative purpose and context. Use textual aids such as table of content and glossary for greater comprehension of text. So today we are going to cover up 2 SLOs, okay? So my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Yasin, verse number 30, "O piety, such beings, no messenger ever came to them without being mocked." Okay, so this beautiful verse is telling us that, my dear students, that we should not mock to each other, to anyone. This verse is also telling that when Allah Almighty sent messengers to the people, so they started to mock them. Okay, all messengers were being mocked by them. Okay, whenever Allah was trying to give them guidance, so they ever mocked at him, on messenger of Almighty Allah. But this beautiful verse is also giving us message too, that we should not mock to anyone, to each other. If we find any like disability, if we find any mistake, so we should not mock at all, because Allah doesn't like such type of things. Okay, so let's move. See there, my dear students, there is a brainstorming activity. See there and try to judge what's going on. Hurry up, hurry up. Judge there which shop is there, who is she, and why they are, what they are doing. What do you think? Discuss with your teacher. Good, excellent, my dear students. I hope you have got now. Okay, let's see what's going on. Excuse me, ma'am. So what they are saying, excuse me, ma'am, in mannerful way. Already we know that how we have to talk. Let's see what does ma'am says. Okay, yes, what do you need, please? Because which shop is this? This is a book shop, okay, and students have gone there to buy anything. So let's see what they are going to buy. Next is, kindly give us scrap books if available. Now students talked that what they need scrap books. They are demanding scrap books. Okay, that I guessed. Okay, this is our guess that the students might be talking about that. It's up to you. You are such type of speech bubbles give us free will that what we think, so we have to write according to the images, pictures. Okay, see next. Here, sure, here are scrapbooks. Yes, now have you got that? This type of speech bubble we have filled, and how they have started their talk when they got bookstore, and how they like got attention of this like saleswoman is there. So in this way we can fill speech bubble, and we have filled this speech bubble, my dear students, according to the situation. Okay, we could not see that there is a park, because this is not a park. There is a bookstore and students have gone there to buy something like stationery, books, anything else that we can see. Okay, so have you got that? How we can fill a speech bubble? We have to fill a speech bubble according to the situation, that in picture which type of situation we are seeing, okay? In this way, we are observing. So now it's time towards an activity. See there on page number 50, my dear students, fill in speech bubbles. So now you have to fill in speech bubble on your book. Speech bubbles are given there, and see there is a family sitting there, and I think guests are also there. So see that, discuss with your teacher, discuss with each other, and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope now you have got that how we can fill speech bubble according to the situation, according to the images. Good students. So next, see what is this. A table of contents is just like the list of chapters at the beginning of a book. It lists each section in the book and the page number where that section begins. So this is a table of content when you will find your books. This is in the beginning of books. We can find chapter number, chapter name, page number, topic, theme, that what we are going to get from this chapter. Objectives of learning also we can get. A really basic table of contents might look like this. Okay, I'm going to show you. See there? Yes, this is your English book, my dear students. Open your book, hurry up, and get its page number 4 and 5. English grade 5 contents. This all is showing table of content. Okay, this content is showing that on which page number we will find, suppose like our 6th chapter is going on, or traffic issues, okay, its theme is there, its title, oral communication skills, reading and thinking skill, formal and lexical skill, and writing skills page number. In all that, this is called table of content, and according to the unit number, and these are page number. So have you got that? Such type of list is called table of content, and always we will find that list at the start of the book. Okay, good. So next, what is a glossary? A glossary is a collected list of words with their meanings. We find glossary or index at the end of the books. These are words arranged alphabetically with their meanings. So what is a glossary? Glossary always we will find at the end of the book. Okay, table of content we will find at the start of the book, and glossary list we will find at the end of the book, my dear students. So, and its other name also index or glossary. Both have same meanings. And what is a glossary? Glossary is words arranged alphabetically. Alphabetical order means A, B, C according to alphabets in sequence manner. Okay, and this glossary will always give us meaning, difficult meaning of the words. Which words? Those words are already used in the chapters that we have already learned. See there, you can see. Okay, this is also your English book. Now come to the end on page number 110 and 111. Okay, have you opened? Good. Now see there, this is also English 5 and page number 110, 11. This all is called index or glossary. So this is, and also given unit number 1, page number 7. In this way they are showing us these things. So this is called glossary, and you can judge that A, B, C according to the alphabetical order this glossary list is going on. So have you got that? How we can judge also glossary and how we can make glossary? Good job, excellent. So now it's time towards to move an activity. So now we are moving to an activity. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do? You will ask students to read loud and spell difficult words from the lesson. Students will write these words in alphabetical order with their meaning so that they may be able to make their own glossary for the lesson. Students will also include my vocabulary words table from book in their glossary. So now what you have to do, you have to make your own glossary list. Okay, how you will make glossary list? According to the alphabetical order. So open your book, get from unit number 6 that we have already learned, and start to get your own glossary list. Those students will get in a good way, those students will be winner. Pause the video and perform this activity in class. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope now you are able to get that how we can prepare a glossary list. Good job. So next is question number 11 is there. Identify the next lesson from the table of content that you will read. read other information too, like theme, skills, topic, etc. So that you have to do from your book. You have to identify next lesson after unit 6, which lesson we are going to, what's its theme and what's its topics, main topics, subtopics, each and everything you have to find out from your book, English book. Okay, so perform this activity. Welcome back and excellent job. Good, my dear students. Now, what's your homework? There is a project on your book. This is your homework. What you have to do? These material you have to need, then you will cut and glue. This is a sample is there given to you, how you have to prepare these all things. You will arrange at your home, my dear students, and you will try. If you will, after that you can bring all these things in class and teacher will help you to cover up all this project. So this will be your homework for today. So yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form, and then you can get that how students are able to fill the speech bubbles. Okay. So what we have learned? We learned to write text in speech bubbles and cartoon strips using vocabulary, tone, style of expressions appropriate to the communicative purpose and text. We also learned to use textual aids such as table of content and glossary for greater comprehensions of text, and in this way we have covered up our SLO, write short text in speech bubbles and cartoon strips using vocabulary, tone, style of expressions appropriate to the communicative purpose and context. Use textual aids such as table of content and glossary for greater comprehensions of text. Yes, we have done with it and great job, and we have done it with it in a nice way. Now we have got that how we can fill speech bubble, and also we have got that how we can search glossary list and table of content. So I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon inshallah. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.